everyone, I'm Kateschwanke and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and a quick review for you featuring the Diono Cambria booster seat. And if you're new to Diono products, they're actually based in Seattle, Washington, and they're best known for their compact convertible car seats. And I actually own two of those. I have the Diono Radian RXT car seats, and we love those. They are a few years old now, but they're still working great. So I can't wait to see what the Cambria looks like because this is going to be my first booster only seat from Diono. But I highly recommend this brand because the quality is amazing, and I'm also super excited to be teaming up with Diono over this next year to bring you guys some more fun reviews. So let's get started. I actually have this particular booster seat for my oldest son who is 7 years old. He is about 50 pounds, which is perfect because the seat actually fits a child between 40 pounds all the way up to 120 pounds. So let's go ahead and open this. I can't wait to see what it looks like. So the color is actually called Graphite, which is perfect because I'm pretty sure that is the exact same color of my other two seats, so it will look perfect with them. This box is good size, but that is because this booster seat has a tall back to it. There we go. There we go. That wasn't too hard. Usually boxes give me more trouble with it, eh? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out this way. That wasn't too bad. One of the cool things about this car seat that I remember reading about is that you can actually fold it flat, which is how it's actually come to me in this box. So I'm gonna see how that works. Use my scissors one more time. All right, there we go. Hopefully that's the last time I need those. This looks really nice. Okay, so there's two pieces. Another thing I really like about this booster seat is that even though it has a really tall back to it and it's adjustable and all that, you can actually have this seat by itself as the actual bottom booster seat. So once your child outgrows that back headrest part, or you maybe just don't want it in your car because you have a more compact car, then you can use it this way. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and prop it up there for now and pull out the backrest. Overall, this is actually not a very heavy car seat, so I really like that. Let me go ahead and do need my scissors one more time because I don't like having tags on here. That looks really nice. I really like the fabric too. It feels nice and squishy and cushy. So this is actually a nice and deep headrest with some really nice deep sidewalls here, and they're actually lined with EPE foam. It just protects their heads a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and attach this. It looks like extremely simple. It's super simple. I love simple, guys. Okay, so the very bottom of this, kind of, if you guys can see this well, it just has these two hook parts. So that literally just attaches right to the back of this booster under here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It looks really, really easy. So it looks really great, right? Okay, so that is what it looks like when you put it all together. There's literally only two pieces. So something really great about the back of the headrest here is that it can actually grow with your child. So no matter how big your child gets, this can literally reach to like here, and I could probably sit in it comfortably because it's actually very roomy. Even in the head area here, there's plenty of space. In the hip area, even I could sit there. Something I really like about the headrest is that it does move up and down to accommodate how tall your child is. And you can do it one-handed. So it's really simple. You just put it where you want it. And that's as tall as it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it back down. It's very easy to do though. As I mentioned, this seat can be used with the back or without. And the bottom part actually comes with latch anchors, which I love because I just feel like that really helps keep it in the car. If something was to hit you from behind, it just gives me a peace of mind that it's attached to the car, assuming that your car has latch anchors. But if you don't, then you can totally use this without them too. Another feature about this car seat is that it has a completely removable and machine washable cover on it. So if your child spills something on here or like gets sick or something, then you would definitely be able to wash this no problem. This also features a 2 recline positioning system. So if this is too upright for your child, you can actually recline it a little bit to accommodate that. Something that I really like about this car seat is that it actually has retractable cup holders down here. So all you have to do is pull this out towards you. So your child could even do it if they needed to put their cup in here, but you have like a little snack tray down here and you have a place for your cup and you have one on each side. So, I mean, you could have 2 cups, you could have 2 snacks, you'd be in business. But for me personally, I don't like to have them sticking out a lot because I like things that are more compact. So if the seat is a little tighter and you're trying to fit more car seats across in a row, then having the option to have the cup holders be retractable is an awesome feature. Now, as I showed you guys, when I actually pulled it out of the box, it did fold flat so that you can make it more compact for traveling. Like if you were to take this on an airplane or you just want to save space in your car, it can definitely fold flat for travel. You can also purchase a ton more accessories on the Diono website, and I will definitely link you down below to their website, and that is an affiliate link. So I appreciate when you guys use that link because it does help support my channel. But they do have a lot of accessories like kick mats, they have seat protectors, which to me, those 2 things are super important when you have kids because it just protects your upholstery in your car. They are invaluable when you have kids. So those are available as well as a wide variety of other accessories. So the last thing that I wanted to show you guys is just how easy it is to install this in a car. Like I said, literally all you have to do is hook this up with a latch system, or you don't even have to use the latch system at all. So you could just place it in your car. It's pretty easy, but I will show you guys how this looks inside my car. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. And stay tuned for more Diono reviews. Thanks for watching!